Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all.
Hello everybody and welcome to Craftmas day, let's see, what day are we on? 22? We're getting there. Welcome to Craftmas day 22. The rest of the videos are going to be all about my December daily album, and that is what I'm hoping to be able to work on over the next couple days. Is this album, because I'm really behind this year. So this year I am using a 8.5 by 11 album. I did the front of it with some pattern paper, and then I added the pattern paper inside. All of the items that I'm using are Stampin' Up! Products for like the main cardstock and inks and stamping, and then I'm using Echo Park designer paper and elements. So in the first part of my album, I did this tag. I did a tag for each one of us, and so each of the smaller ones are going to be for the kids, and then I have two that are in a craft paper that are for Isa and I, and then on Christmas morning I'm gonna do we do a Christmas wish, and what we do is it's not a present or something that you're wishing for. It is a Christmas wish for you know, like just life in general, and I will write that on the back of this. So it's just a little thing that I want to do with the kids. I actually took a Starbucks sleeve to do this. I wrapped it in paper and I stapled it and then added it, and that's what made this pocket. I liked the shape of it, and so I made that into a pocket, and then I added some gold washi tape there. Over here I have my page lifter, and then on the back of it I just have this cute little cluster here, and it just says December looks like this. I heat embossed that, looking forward, and then it has like a Santa bingo. Here is my title page, and it's a photo of all of us, and it says "'Tis the Season," and I cut that out. I fussy cut it and I added stickles to it, and then I did this cute little cluster down here. And so that is the title page. And then I open it up and I have my December calendar. I have to fill it out some more because I haven't done it past the 13th. And then instead of doing a reason why, what I did is, and I still need to add some journaling to this somehow, is I did actually crafting my December daily. I don't really like doing a reason why, because my reason why for doing an album is because I like to scrapbook. Like, there's no deep meaning. I'm not like trying to do something amazing or, you know, document the world, or like there's just no deep meaning as to the reason why I do it. I just like to scrapbook. So I want to add that journaling to this, but I took some photos of actually doing December daily. And then the next page, the first story that we have, oops, you know what? This is in the wrong spot, which makes sense now, because this is the journaling. For this. Okay, so we have this is just like almost like a table of contents. It's like kind of the thing to do this year, and I've done that. And then this is the journaling that goes here, and I actually just talk about like some of my favorite things for the month of December and why I love the month of December so much, and then like doing the project. Day one is Advent calendars, and so this is in the page protector, this part and the paper and all of that, and then I did a pocket right on top of the page protector, and it actually just has a photo of each of the kids and their Advent calendars. And then I might do some journaling of the kids' on the back or something. I still want to do something for the little circle tab, but I love that I did the pocket on top of the page protector. And then here's them opening up. This was, you know, before they got opened, and then the kids opening their calendars. The next day is getting our Christmas tree. So there's some fun photos there. This is actually, I did a process video in my Life Simply Documented membership group. That group is $10 a month. And I have the process video of how I put this together. And then I did this page outside, the page protector, because I just had a lot of photos. And then this is probably my favorite page so far this year. I did Oh Christmas Tree, and it's us getting our Christmas tree. The next page is story number 3, and it is decorating the tree. And this page right here will be a full photo of our Christmas tree. I just won't get that printed until after Christmas. I do all of my enlargements through the Project Life app, and I do that at the first week of January. I always put in an order for December photos that I need. So that will be that. And then this is the last page I worked on, and I really love this page. This is about Christmas lights and how every year there's always an issue with the Christmas lights and some are burnt out. And we had quite the ordeal at the beginning of the month with our Christmas lights. And I did this cut on the Cricut. I did this on my Cricut Joy, and I have glitter and glossy accents on it, so the lights kind of shine and glisten and they're glossy. And I did the lights and the 4x6 card, and then my journaling, and then it's story number 4, and I did the lights all down the side of it. I love it. I love the way that turned out. It was perfect. So I have a bunch of photos and places that I'm going to do the stories. I just haven't had a chance to work on it. So the rest of the December, the Craftmas videos for December will be about my December daily album, and I plan on being able to work on that over the next couple days. So I hoped that you enjoyed seeing the pages I've done. Over on my website, I will share some photos of the pages that I've done. If you want to see any details up closer, you can see those on my website. So thank you everybody for being here and watching this video, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video. I hope you're all having a wonderful December.